Hey Valorant community, ever found your gameplay hindered by stuttering issues? Did you know that a whopping 80% of these problems come from internet instability? In this video tutorial, let's dive into how these issues affect your Valorant experience and how to troubleshoot them. But before diving into it, let me share my personal experience. Valorant is not just about sporting opponents, it's about those split-second moments when a quick click matters the most. Despite hitting impressive flick shot in Silver Elo, my performance took a nosedive due to persistent internet problems. Even reaching a peak rank of Ascendant 3 could not shield me from the setback. Now the major issue is after facing these issues in episode 7 act 2 I was peak Ascendant 3, and then in the next act I just suddenly dropped my skills just because of this fucking stupid internet, even though I can't hit 40 kills in death matches. So it's kind of hard. You can see here my competitive stats 10, 12, like it's just demoting all the way. So just because of the internet. There's a time I can't even complete in Iron Elo where opponents might not grasp basic tactics like peeking. So what's the troubleshoot? Basically, first you need to identify the problem. So in this video, just go into the deathmatch, but before select here your best servers and then go into the settings, go into the video and then go into the stats. Now the first thing is client FPS. Of course, you need to observe your FPS as well, but if you think that your FPS, like your specs are good, then you don't need to enable this one. Just once you can check your FPS and later on you can just hide this because it's not a big problem. Now other pupils are performing well, then you don't need to select this server tick rate, because if they are performing well, so basically that's mean that server is fine. Now the major issue, came to render latency. It's important. You need to check it, like I guess through the text only is more better. I'll show you further about this in game, but let's first set these settings. Now network RTT, which means that MS, the ping, you can check it by pressing the tab. You don't need to enable this one. Network jitter is important. You need to enable this network RTT jitter. But yeah, the packet loss text only, because it's more like better to see in text only. Incoming packet loss graph only, and the outgoing packet loss is graph only. And then packet loss total. So sometimes the packet loss is not detecting any input packet loss, so you can enable this one, so it will show you the total packet loss while the gameplay. And yeah, that's it. Now let's go into the game and further I'll show you. Okay, now there's only one thing that you can fix by yourself, which is outgoing packet loss, because it's generating, might be your router or might be the cable between the PC and the router. So you can replace these things. It will fix your problem, the outgoing packet loss. But in case the incoming packet loss and the high jitter and overall network system, you cannot fix it by yourself. You need to contact with your ISP, the internet service provider. He can fix the problem for you. Packet loss, even the one packet loss is not good, but it's instability. It's because of instability of your internet port. Okay, now the packet loss total is 158, which is just counting by the time, and the network RTT jitter, it's always less than 2. A good jitter is always less than 2. So yeah, that's it. Now on the left side you can see in graphics incoming packet loss and outgoing packet loss.
Come on!
When you leave in the line of fire, it will boom up most of the time. Just watch it. 谁懂？So dead. It's like, I don't know, you can feel it or not because it's recording, and while playing is totally different. Too late. But while taking the fight, it's just there too late. Small stuttering. Trusted. Are you talking? Pretty hard. Worthless. Easy. Let's see you.
Yo, check it out. I'm the Windows fixer, the one and only. Tutorials, YouTube, tech content flow. Your PC, I got the solution. Step by step, I'll guide you. Solution. Master errors, don't need to power. Got the skills and the knowledge. I'm the real MVP. Windows fixer on a mission. That's me. Can't you see? Tech tutorial creator, showing you the way. Bringing the beat, fix your make it all complete. Come on, here to assist. Facing those glitches, we won't desist. Every problem, we'll conquer it all. Tech tutorial content never.